Hurricane Maria damaged a significant portion of Puerto Rico's election infrastructure. The storage facilities for the voting machines without power and air conditioning for over 5 months, which resulted in mold and rust and prevented equipment from receiving proper maintenance. What percentage of this equipment were you able to salvage, and how is the Elections Commission working to ensure that these systems are operational ahead of the 2020 election?
We have 6,025 voting machines. From that total, we have 11% of those machines are damaged, so we save 89% of the machines.
And after saving that 89%, that additional 11%, we've been working diligently to make sure that we are cleaning what we can clean, understand which components are really necessary to replace, and collaborate with the supplier in order for us to be able to bring those machines back up to speed.
First of all, we want to verify how many of the damaged machines we can repair, and after we are certain of that information, then we need to verify if we can, due to the economic struggle that we are facing, we can buy new machines, or we can do some kind of arrangement with the actual company that have the machines.
Yes, that partnership is essential because as they move forward to newer versions of those machines, we're able to tell them, look, this machine went down in this level of humidity and it created this level of rust. So they can use and select better materials in order to produce and manufacture better equipment.